Hello everyone, welcome back to Siemens PLC Programming Hub. In this video, I'll show you how to set up communication between your PC and Siemens S7-200 PLC using the PPI cable. You can also use the MPI cable. If you are beginner, this tutorial will help you how to communication PLC to PC successfully. For communication S7-200 PLC, you need CPU type 224 or 226, whatever you like. I use it CPU 224CN AC DC relay type. You also need a PPI cable. You can also use MPI cable. If you need PPI or MPI cable, you can also contact with me. You also need step 7 MicroWIN software. In the first video, I already showed you how to download and install. Please check my YouTube channel list. First of all, connect the PPI cable to the PLC DB9 pin port. This is the PPI cable male DB9 connector. Connect the connector and tighten the screw so that not have any loosen. If you are using the PPI cable, plug it into the laptop USB port and wait until the driver installs successfully. I already have installed the driver, so if you are new, then you need to install driver. Make sure your PLC power on. Okay, let's go in your desktop. In the Windows search panel, you need to search Device Manager. In the Device Manager, you can see the port, COM and LPT. Double click and go to baud rate setting option, set 9600, and you need to check the COM2. So let's go in our MicroWIN software. In the communication option, please click you can also this option, the download or upload option. You see there need communication because still I did not communication. Double click here. You see there is a error message. So set PG and PC option. There are many options if you use MPI cable or PPI. So you need to select PPI or MPI. This is the MPI and this is the PPI. Then go to properties, local connection. In my device manager, you see the COM2. Then go to PPI address. Here you select 0, time at 100, and transmission rate or baud rate 19.2 kbps. Then OK. Double click here. You see searching the PLC address. Okay, the search successfully done. Select the CPU 224 and OK. Now go to upload or download option. Now not available the communication option because already communication successful and detect the PLC. So now you can easily upload and download program. Okay, now I am telling you some common issue why PLC not detect. Check COM port, is there 1, 2 or 3 or 4. Use correct PPI or MPI driver. Also try to set baud rate 19.2 kbps or 9.6 kbps. Select address 0. So thank you for watching this tutorial. In the next video we will learn how to create your first ladder logic program and test with the S7-200 PLC. Please like and subscribe for more this kind of PLC tutorial. Thank you so much.